have Caleb Slaughter here. Caleb just finished the Details R Certified Detailer Licensee private training program.
Yes, sir.
And where are you in from, Caleb?
I'm from Chicago, Illinois.
From Chicago, man. How many hour drive was that in?
It was an 8.5 hour drive.
8.5 hour drive, and you made it all the way here. That's awesome.
Yes,
Was
sir.
it worth the trip?
Oh, it totally was, man. The stuff that I learned, it was totally worth it.
Excellent. So the business and marketing class, which was on Wednesday this time, because we didn't do any training this weekend because of the 4th of July holiday coming up. What do you think of the business and marketing class?
I love the business and marketing class, mainly because I could learn pricing and how to talk to customers and how to really market my business to get more customers and to get a better workflow and them to come back to me instead of going to another detailer or going to the next Fast Eddie's or car wash that's down the street for $5 that'll ruin their paint.
Perfect.
So,
Very good.
yes, sir.
Saturday, or not Saturday, I keep thinking we're here on the weekend.
It's all right.
Yesterday was the exterior training.
Yes, sir.
The contact wash, paint correction, paint polishing, and ceramic coating application. What's your biggest takeaway from that day?
Oh man, I really loved it. Learning how to do paint correction, even on minor scratches, was so helpful. Getting to go home and practice that. And then later down in the polishing, loved the polishing and the way that Chase and Nolan were able to teach it to me. And
Good job, guys.
and then continuing with the ceramic coating, it looks so good on the car. And I'm so happy I learned it.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah, came out, probably added about $5,000 value to that car. Guys did a great
Looks
job.
amazing.
And today was the interior day, interior training, coating,
Yes, sir.
and headlight restoration. What do you think of the training today?
So getting to use the extractor was pretty awesome, and then being able to learn how to ceramic coat the interior and just the simple cleaning, things that I could have learned better that I thought I knew, but just going into even more detail about it, that was awesome.
Did a fantastic job.
Thank you.
You got it. Thank you. You're certified now.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.